Purim is almost here, and that means it's time to make Hamantaschen. The triangle-shaped cookies are a delicious part of the holiday, but they also have a special meaning. Hamantaschens remind us of Haman's hat or his pocket or his ears, depending on who you ask. Haman tried to destroy the Jewish people, but thanks to Queen Esther's bravery, we survived. Now every Purim, we celebrate by making noise at his name, dressing up, giving to others, and of course, eating Hamantaschen. But what makes the best Hamantaschen? My daughter and I are trying out 5 different dough recipes to find out. We're using the same flour, butter, oil, and raspberry fillings, but the only difference is going to be the final dough. We're going to have both kids and adults vote and let you know the winner at the end.
Make Jewish cookies with me.
Each recipe is a little different. Some use orange zest, some are softer, some crispier, but which one will win? We're going to use raspberry preserves in all of them so that the dough is really the only difference. Everyone got to vote. Kids, adults, and Hamantaschen experts.
Everybody tell me your favorite.
And the winner is the cookie from the Nosher. It had the best texture, the best shape, even if I did overcook it just a little bit. I have a link in the description below so that you can try it too. One tip that I learned while I was making these Hamantaschens is that after you make the dough, you should stick it in your refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. After you fill the dough with your jelly of choice, I would stick it on the cookie tray back into your freezer this time for at least 5 minutes. That really helps it to hold its shape, and then you can pop it in the oven. If you make Hamantaschen, let me know what your favorite filling is.